Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a video about this Ceylon luxury Ayurvedic summer wellness and beauty box. So first I like to thank Ms. Lashika for creating this beautiful box and packed with these amazing products and this beautiful note from Ceylon products. So I first received this product, Green Mint Cooling Foot Relief Ceylon Ayurvedic product. So I really like the design more than the product. And I really love this hair conditioner and I'm really excited to use for my curly hair. So it's 100% natural, made with natural ingredients. That's what I love about Ceylon. And I got these two beautiful cups for body scrub, the cardamom rose body scrub and the nourishing glowing facial mask. And the Margosa lime shower gel. I'm really excited to use and I really love the smell of this. And the Priest Chest Cold Soothing Rub. And guys, I'm really excited to use this, the white tuberose brightening hand cream. And guys, I really love this design and yeah, I really like to take with me whenever I go, and I really like this color of it. Actually, I am seeking for this color for a very long time. The number 11 Ceylon natural lipstick that made by sandalwood. And guys, I really love the smell of this product also. So sleep intense soothing body elixir Ceylon Ayurvedic. So I am really excited to use this product also. And I got a white jasmine facial cleansing foam. And I really love the design of this. And a jasmine moisturizing balm. So you have to apply all over hands and body and gentle massage and leave on. So it's you can work extra on dried off areas and reapply at night. And I got this blush. So it's the number 3. Number 3 Night Lotus mineralized blush on. And the white jasmine night repair face treatment oil. So yeah, you can use it well. And the instructions are given. This beautiful sachet, and the smell is really amazing of this, guys. And this is really worth for me in these days because I have spent most of my studies at night time. So this is white sandal undyed treatment mask, and I really love this. The design, it is easy to take and handy. So thank you Ceylon for creating a beautiful beauty box like this. I never used a bunch of Ceylon products at once, so this will be a good experience to know about your amazing products.